There you go.
Wow. Sheesh. Wow. I feel like my whole life that's been needed to be cracked.
Please look at your shoulder posture, right? Let's just look straight ahead. There you go, look straight ahead. Trina.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your shoulder right now. I don't know you're aware of it. You've seen yourself in photographs or in a mirror, you know, but your shoulder's higher on this side.
Yeah.
Are you aware of that?
Yeah.
You're aware of that?
Because I guitar.
Oh, okay.
Guitar.
But
yeah.
Do you want it even?
That'd be cool.
We can do that today.
Because I noticed I can even see it in the collarbone too.
Yeah.
I noticed. I told my mom that.
Uneven.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're like this. If I was your mirror, you're like this. So we're gonna make it even. All right. Please look at your shoulder posture. Right. Let's just look straight ahead. There you go. Look straight ahead. Trina.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your shoulder right now. I don't know you're aware of it. You've seen yourself in photographs or in a mirror, you know, but your shoulder's higher on this side.
Yeah.
Are you aware of that?
Yeah.
You're aware of that?
Because I guitar.
Oh, okay.
Guitar.
But
yeah.
Do you want it even?
That'd be cool.
We can do that today.
Because I noticed I can even see it in the collarbone too.
Yeah.
I noticed. I told my mom that.
Uneven.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're like this. If I was your mirror, you're like this. So we're gonna make it even. All right? Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah.
Sorry, Doc. I'm taking photos too.
Yeah. You can just take the video.
Okay.
We'll take the video right now. Hands to your sides on this side. Same thing, just slightly not as bad. I'm sorry. Compare. Yeah, I got two of you in front.
I thought mine
It's
was
higher.
so bad.
Yeah, it's higher, but not as bad as Trina's. Yeah. Okay. The first thing we're going to ask you to do is some range of motion. Okay. So what we're going to do is rate it. 0 being no pain, no tightness, no stiffness. 10 being the worst.
Okay.
And then we'll realign your spine. Then have you come back up here and repeat the test and see if the numbers are better. Pretty simple. All right, look down as far as you can towards your toes, your feet. Any pain, tightness, stiffness in your neck, shoulder, back. Trina, we'll start with you.
Stiffness.
There you
yeah,
go.
tightness.
What number out of 10 is that? 10 is the worst.
Not too bad. Maybe like a 5.
5, yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Here 2.
2.
Yeah. I mean, around 4.
4. You
Yeah,
want to say
4.
4? Okay, yeah. Remember, there's no wrong answer. Huh? Look up as high as you can, as far back as you can. 10 is the worst, Trina.
Feel behind the neck.
Yeah, what number is that?
Not so tight. Maybe like 2.
2.
Yeah.
Okay, Jesse?
I think it's the here around 3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. She's writing it down. Then we'll compare. Turn your head as far as you can this way. This way. Pain, tightness, stiffness.
No, it's stiffness.
Sure.
Behind the neck.
What number?
Let's say 4.
4.
Yeah.
Jesse? Sorry.
I think here
Yeah.
around 4.
4. Okay, yeah. Turn the other way as far as you can.
Feels tight. Yeah. So 4.
I guess still 4.
Still forward?
Yeah,
That's
still
it?
4 still.
Jesse?
I feel like it's very stiff.
Yeah.
And I can't.
Yeah, what number
Yeah,
is
so
that?
around 5.
5, a little higher.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to test your neck, shoulder, and back now. Fingers together here, elbows up. Right? Then you're just going to turn as far as you can. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Get some good numbers now. All right, Trina, what number?
Probably like 5.
5. Oh no, there's a cramp. What
Yeah.
number? What number is that?
Around like 6 or
6.
7.
6. Yeah. Whatever you want.
I'm
Oh
sore.
no. You feel older than your age.
Yeah.
This is the
All right.
age kicking in.
Yeah, turn the other way.
Yeah, see.
As far as you can. Yeah, what number is that?
5.
5.
Yeah.
Testing.
5.
5.
Okay. Now we're gonna check your lower back and hips. Here you go. Run your fingers down your leg, this side. There you go. Yeah, there it is. Any pain, tightness, stiffness there?
Tightness,
What
lower
number?
back. Maybe 6.
6?
Yeah.
Just
4, lower.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. The other side. Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Trina? 6?
Yeah, lower back. 4.
4. 6 and 4. Okay, now we're gonna look at your lower back. Right? Go as far down as you can. Right? Yeah. Forward down. Pain, tightness, stiffness.
I've never been able to touch that.
Yeah. Let's see how far it is now, and maybe we can improve it today. What number is that?
Never.
10 is the worst. What number?
Tight, probably 5.
5. Okay.
4.
4. Okay. Last one, backwards. As far as you can backwards. Oh no.
I can't even bend
Oh
it.
my goodness. What number is this?
5.
5.
Lower back, yeah. 6.
6. 5. Okay. How about your shoulders? We'll check your shoulders. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Reach behind your head. That way.
Here?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll check this one first. As far as you can. What number is that? Any pain, tightness, stiffness?
Maybe like 3 or 4.
3 to 4.
Around 3.
3. Okay. We'll reach behind your back as far as you can. Tightness, pain, tightness, stiffness.
About 3.
3.
4.
4. Okay. Now you're gonna reach across your shoulder this way. Yeah, there you go. What number is that?
3.
3.
4.
4. Okay. We'll use the other hand now. Back of your head. Pain, tightness, stiffness.
Take 3.
What number?
3.
3.
5.
5. Okay. Reach behind your back. Oh, that's tight. Pain, tightness.
4.
4. 5. Okay. Last one. Cross.
4.
4.
3.
3. Okay, we want those numbers better. It's pretty simple. 50% better, 75% better, 100% better today. Who wants to go first on the table?
Maybe me na lang.
Ready to get started, right?
Yeah.
Okay, on your stomach, you face in the paper, hands to your sides, please. Okay, so we're gonna put your hands right here. Is that okay? There's a couple
Okay.
handles here. All right, so I'm gonna start your feet. We're just gonna take a look and see if your legs are even or not. Put your feet together. And look at it here. Left leg short, 1 inch. Yeah. Yeah, left leg short 1 inch. Okay, so that's gonna affect you when you run or train and all that too, and jumping. So your pelvis here, right here, is rotated. This is rotated, okay? Check the ratio spine. Yeah, it was tight.
Yeah.
Shoulders here. I'm just gonna get your shoulders more balanced. It's really high on the left side.
Wow. Interesting. That's cool.
Yeah.
That just
Okay,
happened
yeah.
to my body. That's cool.
Excellent. Now I'm gonna get your other side, okay?
Sure.
So this side right here.
Sheesh. All that stress is gone. Wow. That feels so nice. Okay.
Yeah, that's what you've been missing out on, right?
Yeah.
That's what everybody's doing.
Ah.
Good. All
I
right.
love it.
Excellent. Lay on your side facing me, please. Legs even now. This leg was short.
The leg?
Yes. Yeah, about 1 inch. We took a photo of it. Bend your top knee. Put your hand on your shoulder. Is that okay? So this pelvis is rotated. That's better for you. leg's been short for many years, you know. But imagine now that your legs are even, what you can do, right?
Yeah.
Better. Okay. On your back, face up.
Okay.
Big hug.
Parang may chicharon.
Yeah. It's like I'm just chewing on some chips.
Pretty crunchy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna improve your posture.
Wow. That's kind of cool. How you make backs crack like
Take
that.
a deep breath in now. A little looser. Your ribs are looser.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I feel a lot looser.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check your neck now. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too straight. It's curved here. There you go. Right there.
Wow. Feels amazing.
Okay. One more side, this way.
More.
Yeah, you tell me. Let's get your lower back better. A little stiff there. Let's increase your flexibility. There you go.
Oh. I feel like my whole life that's been needed to be cracked.
Yeah. Been waiting for so long.
Yeah.
Whole life.
My whole life. I've been waiting for that moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's satisfying.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's so
Excellent.
satisfying. Yeah.
On your stomach face that Okay, let's see if your legs are good. Jesse, you want to see?
Yeah.
Pantay na.
Pantay na.
Your legs are even.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, yeah, your legs are even. Come and stand up, please. What do you think?
Oh, I feel so good.
Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. We'll do the post test now. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, stand feet shoulders apart. Just take a look at your shoulder. It's still a little high. Oh wait, no, it came down. I take it back. It's coming down a lot. It's not as high as before. It's almost even actually right now. Can you feel it? Your shoulders closed.
Feels.
Yeah.
I feel more put together.
Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. All right, let's go face. Look down as far as you can. That was 5. What number now out of 10?
Dang. Like 0.
5 to 0. It's
Yeah.
0 now.
Yeah.
That's good. All right. Up.
Oh, it's so loose.
That was 2. What number
Yeah,
now?
0.
2 to 0, 100%. Turn your head.
So loose now.
Yeah.
What number?
0.
0.
Yeah.
2 to 0. Oh, the other way.
4.
Maybe 1. 1.
Okay, 4 down to 1.
Yeah.
75%. Fingers together. Turn. That was 5.
Sheesh. 0.
5 to 0.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Oh, the other way. That was also 5.
I feel like I can go around.
Yeah. More
Same.
flexible.
Yeah, I feel weird.
That was 100% better. 5 to 0. And sideways. That was 6.
Down to 1.
Down to 1.
Yeah.
Good. And the other way. That was 5.
Playing down to 1.
Good. Good. Nice. All right. So go down as far as you can. That was 5. And look, your fingers.
Wow.
You can go further.
Oh yeah.
You can almost reach your toes. Almost.
Down to 0 actually.
On a 0?
Yeah.
Backwards, last one. That was 5.
Oh, 0.
0.
Yes. Because I always do this in hopes that my lower back would be like looser, feel
Mhm.
better. But now this is like 0, 0, 0.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it.
Alright. Overall, wait, let me check your shoulder.
Yeah.
This way. That was 3.
0.
3 to 0.
Yeah.
Backwards. Reach behind. That was 3.
0.
0 again.
Mm-hmm.
100%. That was 3.
0.
Excellent. Right?
Yeah.
Shoulders better. Just improved your posture. Didn't treat your shoulder. Didn't do anything to it. Shoulders better. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But shoulders
Yeah.
before
I
there too.
mean,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Shooting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Excellent. Reach it on this one.
0.
0. Good. Reach behind. That was 4.
0. Yeah.
They're all 0. Yeah.
Yeah, they're
Reach
all
it.
zeros. 3.
3.
Yeah, 0.
Okay. I always ask is, did we help you today?
Heck yeah.
I'm happy for you. Excellent. Excellent. So happy. Good.
Yeah. So it was my first time coming into the office today, and I came in with back spasms and overall back tightness. But after my first session, I feel amazing. Like my range and so many angles definitely improved, and overall I feel looser. I feel like I've been realigned. So yeah, I really can't. I mean, I can't wait for my next session. And thank you so much, Doctor.
Excellent.